I'm standing in a field of questions. As far as the eye can see, is this what it means to be free? Or is this what it means to belong to the free? To be free in bad times and good, to belong to being derided for things I don't believe, and lauded for things I did not do. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. If this is what it means to be free, then I'm free. And I belong to the free. And the free, they belong to me.